Wars are spreading. Nations are shaking. Hunger is rising. Christians are being killed for simply believing in Jesus. Jesus told us this would happen. Ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars, for nation shall rise against nation, and there shall be famines. Matthew 24-6-7 KJV. And for believers, ye shall be hated of all nations for my name's sake. Matthew 24-9 KJV. This world is not falling apart. It's falling into prophecy. But God did not leave us with fear. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give unto you. Let not your heart be troubled. John 14:27 KJV. The world is in chaos. Christ remains King. Keep going.